Hey, superstars. This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin here. And I want to share with you a concept if you've ever had a bad day. Okay? Now, if you're watching this video right now, you're having a bad day probably right now, or if you had a bad day in the past. Now, listen, I used to have bad days all the time. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a good day that the next day was bad? You may like, yeah, Wesley, yeah, that's me. Listen, I used to be like that too, right? But listen, once I've used this concept or this key ingredient that I'm gonna give you here for free, life changed for me. I mean, it changed so, like, I understood something about bad days that literally changed my life here. Let me share it. Look, this is crazy, right? By learning this, I got myself a Lamborghini, okay? Of course, I did more things to get the Lamborghini, but this was one of the ingredients. Now, write this down. Today, as you're watching this video, sitting on your couch, in your car, maybe you're at your job and you're crying because you hate the 8 to 5 grind. There's no such thing as a bad day. Look at me. There's no such thing as a bad day. See, they didn't teach you that in high school or college. Your mom and your daddy forgot to tell you that. Because if you say today is bad, that's assuming that 24 hours of your day was bad. That means that waking up in the morning was bad, right? That means that breathing is bad. Eating food was bad, right? Listen, I want you to write this down, and you can put it in the comments below. If it's making sense, hit the like button and that what you have or what's happening is a bad moment. See, if you have a bad moment, it's not the whole day. If you wake up in the morning and stub your toe and be like, my toe, right? And from there going forward, you have this negative energy, right? And you're pissed off because your toe hurt. Then you brush your teeth and you spin toothpaste, you spill it on your clothes. Well, what you're doing is that negative energy, because you've already labeled the day as a bad day, then everything in your day will be bad. What you do is this. It is a bad moment. Me, I have bad moments. As a matter of fact, let me give you this. This is going to blow your mind. I no longer have bad moments or bad days. I have challenging things, challenging moments. See, change the word. When you think bad, automatically you just conjure up negative feelings, right? Everybody, if you're watching me right now, you can think about a bad day. You're like, yeah, that was a bad day. But it's a challenge, okay? Listen, you don't have to believe me, but it did get me the Lamborghini and the Rolls Royce right there. Like, it's in my living room. Because I made a decision that any business that I was working on, like I have about 10 businesses online, and I make about 20 to $30 million a year. And once I made a decision when I was broke, and I was using that broke mindset like a lot of you, and I kept saying, oh, it's a bad day. It's a bad day. I'm having a bad day. I'm having a funky day today. I'm having a terrible day today. I stopped using that type of language. I want you to understand this, that you're not having a bad day. You're having a bad moment. As a matter of fact, it's just a challenging moment. And that bad moment is setting you up for prosperity, for success, for a good moment. Understand this. No one on the planet, basketball players, football players, can win every game. As a matter of fact, nobody on the planet wants to win every single game. Because without losing, you can't call it winning. Am I making sense here? Without a good moment, there'll be no bad moments, right? It's called the Law of Polarity. So what you do is, and I'm going to let you go and hit the like button if this made sense to you. I'm sure it did. I want you to say this with me. I, whatever your name is, I, Wesley Virgin, will never, ever have a bad day. I will have a bad moment. And after that moment is gone, I will decide, write that word, I would decide to have a great day. I would decide to have a good day. You know, and let me tell you a quick story. Before I started my online company, you're going to learn more about that below. Before I started helping millions of people now, I'm kind of grateful. I was just like a lot of people. I couldn't make sales. And I was like, well, I was making sales on Tuesday, but Wednesday I'm making no money. Thursday I'm making no money. And I said, well, I'm having a tough day. And I realized it wasn't a tough day. It was just a tough moment. And it's just how I thought about not making money that day. Okay? And once I made a decision, said, you know what? I didn't make any money today, but I'm still grateful. I'm still excited because tomorrow is going to be a better day. And when I started to do that, instead of saying that today is bad or I'm having a funky day or whatever, I changed the language. And when I started to change the language, change the results. And this is the reason why I got the stupid Lamborghini in my living room, which it makes absolutely no sense why I have a Lamborghini in my living room here, but it worked. Listen, let's recap. Hit the like button if this makes sense, if you're going to try it. Whenever you feel yourself saying, man, today is a bad day, say, you know what? I had a bad moment. What can I do to change it? Oh, you know what? I didn't make any sales today. But what does that mean? Okay, that means that I learned some things today. So tomorrow is going to be a great, fantastic day, and I'm going to make money. So you heard that ching ching? Well, I make sales every day. Let me show you here before I let you guys go. And guys, feel free to subscribe. But let me show you something. This is real life. See that? New sale, 99 today. Like, I make sales every single day. And listen, yes, I'm an internet marketer, but I didn't realize how much of my psychology was affecting my success. Listen to me. You don't have to believe me. But as soon as I started to change my language, such as I'm having a tough time, I'm having a bad day, I'm having a tough day, I'm having a funky day, I said I'm having a great day. Even though I was making no money, I said I'm having a great, blessed day. Let's go. Right? Even when I got kicked out of my apartment, I said, you know what? That means I'm going to get a better apartment. Hey, guys, much love. Hey, hit the like and share button. And like I said below, watch this video again. And I want you to listen to me close. If you never watch another Wesley $1 billion Virgin video, which you may, remember, no more bad days, bad moments. And a moment is like, and then you can change it. I love you so much. This is Wesley.